If you would like more texture in the surface of your felt, here is a tip for you. A really fun thing to do is to cut up some older pieces of fully felted fabric, maybe some scraps, and to cut them into shapes and to lay them out between the second and the third layer of your felt. Um, I'm saying between layer 2 and 3, that would be what I would do typically if I was making a felt bag. Or another way you can include them is on the surface of your felt. You can put down the felt shapes as embellishing shapes, and then you can put a piece of lightweight silk on top of them so that the silk will felt through to the wool fiber in the base of your piece, the structural part, and it will trap the fully felted shapes on the surface. So if you try that, I hope you enjoy it. It's just one way or two different ways of adding more shape to the surface of your felt.